Hi everyone and welcome back to Raining Cake and welcome to the first video of 2018. My voice is a bit croaky because I am feeling a little bit unwell, but I am determined to get this video filmed because I only have certain times of the week where I can film, so it's better just to get it done. Even though I'm not feeling that great, my voice is super croaky, but we're gonna roll with it. So today I have a wedding decorations haul. So for the guys that don't know, I am getting married this year now. I can say it's this year. It's in September and I've only got 9 months to prepare. I can't believe, you know, when people say to you, oh yeah, you know, I booked my venue basically more than a year in advance, and then everyone's like, oh, it's gonna go really quick, it's gonna come around really quick, you haven't got that much time to prepare. And I'm like, no, it's fine, you know, I've got over a year and a half to do it. And no, literally it's just flown by, and I'm at the point at the moment where I am not panicking, but I'm like, I need to get things done. Like, I need to get started on stuff because I took a back seat in the last couple of months because we got most of the major things booked already. I don't know if my ear's gone a bit funny, sorry. It's just because like this whole sinus, throat, nose thing is making me hear funny. So where was I? Oh yeah, I took a back seat for the last couple of months because it was Christmas and things happened with home, like personal stuff, and yeah, so I didn't really do anything in the past few months apart from finish booking like the catering, the florist, and all the major things. All the major things are booked, so I'm happy about that. Now it's all just about saving the money, paying stuff off, getting all the like details and all that stuff sorted. So that was a bit of a ramble. I was going to show you today what I have already got for like decoration-y bits, just like the small little touches and stuff like that. So yeah, there is more to get. Like, I keep seeing things on Pinterest, which I should probably stop because I keep seeing things and I keep pinning it and then go and spend the money on it. So really I shouldn't pin that much because I end up wanting to get everything for the wedding and it's getting a bit costly. So yeah, so I'm going to head straight in, show you all the things I got. I'll probably do another video later on in the year to show you like all the updates and stuff. But yeah, this is the stuff that I've just bought over the past sort of 5 months. Yeah, I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm going to talk you through all the stuff that I got. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to talk to you about, or that I bought, it wasn't the first thing I bought, but it was part of the first few things that I bought. We are going to scent the wedding with Jo Malone, and it is quite a common thing. A lot of people scent their weddings with Jo Malone, and then they actually have like a service that you could pop in store. Well, you have to book an appointment, and then you can smell all the Jo Malone scents, and then you can pick a scent, or you can mix and match scents to suit what you like and what you want to put in the wedding. So I have always liked English Pear and Freesia, and that is the scent that I'm going to have at the wedding. So so far I have picked up quite a few of the diffusers. So they're a bit like this. If you've seen Jo Malone diffusers before, you'll know what they look like. So at the moment I have 4 of these diffusers which will go into the main venue part. I then have candles which will go also in the main venue part, but on the tables, on each dining table for the wedding breakfast. And the diffusers are then just going to be surrounded, like sort of like around. And I am also going to be wearing English Pear and Freesia as my wedding scent. So yeah, so there's just going to be English Pear and Freesia all around, and it's just going to smell amazing. So that is my scent for the wedding. From Homesense, I picked up a couple of these kind of crate basket thingies. So I wanted to put the confetti in this crate, so I need to get some of those cones, fill it with confetti and place it in into this white wooden crate. So they're just going to sit in and hopefully be at the front with the page boys and no, not page boys, ushers. My 2 nephews, well, Dan's nephew and my nephew are going to be ushers, so we're just going to have them sort of direct people to pick up the confetti for, like, obviously the confetti shot. So we're going to have that in this crate. And then in this basket I'm planning to put flip-flops. So it was an idea I saw on Pinterest, so I wanted to fill this basket with flip-flops, and I also have a sign which I'll show you in a bit. It would just say like dance night away and not be like kind of uncomfortable, so they can get some flip-flops. And I'm planning just to get my flip-flops from Primark, and then just put them into this basket, and that should be quite a nice little touch. I also picked up these. I actually don't know what I want to do with them yet. I just thought they're pretty cute. They're from the range, and they're just like these little hearts with the kind of beaded detailing on it, and I think that's quite cute. Yeah, at the moment I'm not sure where I'm going to hang them. I just, you know, you see things and you just pick them up because you think they're cute, and that's me. I picked up this frame from Matalan. So this is a frame with like a line, I don't know if you can see, like just a rope with some pegs in it. There's 3 pegs, and it was £4, and I'm planning to put pictures of both our granddads and Dan's dad, who've sadly passed away, put them into this frame. And I've got this sign coming. I've ordered this sign which says something like we know you wouldn't be so far away. No, we know you would be here today if heaven weren't so far away. So I've got that coming, and we're going to just put their pictures into this frame and place it on the table at our wedding. So that's a nice little touch and a tribute and like a respect for our grandparents and Dan's dad. Yeah, so moving on, I have this is from Ginger Ale, and it is a wooden like framed guest book thing. So instead of like the traditional writing in a guest book, we just thought this would be quite nice because we could stick the frame up after in the flat. So there's 70 hearts, wooden hearts, and then obviously pens and that, and then the instructions card at the bottom, just so people can just write their message on the heart and then drop it in, and it just creates the frame that we think would be quite a nice little piece, and quite a nice little addition to add to our living room. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to go through this other box here. I'm going to lift it up. Okay, here it is. I'm just going to go into it, pick it out, and then obviously show you what it is. So the first thing I got was this confetti here, champagne there, love everywhere. It's also from Ginger Ale. If you are looking for wedding stuff or any party stuff, just in general, Ginger Ale is a really, really good website. They have the most gorgeous things, and they keep updating their line. So yeah, so I highly recommend Ginger Ale. So anyway, this sign actually hangs, but we're actually going to put it on an easel and just place it maybe on the cake table or on the sweetie table that we're going to have. So I think that's pretty cool. So I got a couple of signs, like I said I was going to show you. So this is going to be the one for the flip-flops. So it says on there, a little treat for your dancing feet, and it has it will be Mr. and Mrs. Locke, and then add a date of our wedding. So I thought that was pretty cute with the gold. So that's one of the prints to go with the flip-flops. And then the other print, let me get it out, is this one. It's kind of like sealed, but I don't know if you can sort of see it through the camera. It says, love is sweet, please take a treat, our names, and again a day of our wedding. So that will go on the sweetie table, the sweetie jar table. We got these scoops, which were from the range. My friend picked them up for me. They're only £1, and they're just going to be the little scoops for the sweets. Okay, so we got this little stamp thing, which we're going to use for either the thank you cards, or it's going to be for the tags for our favours. So it's just a stamp. Got it from eBay. It was about £10.50, and it just says on the front, thank you for sharing our special day with us, our names, and again the date of our wedding. So you just obviously put it into ink, stamp it on stuff. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to use that for yet, whether it's going to be the favour tags or the thank you cards. I got these, actually got these ages ago. They were from Next, and it's just like I wanted to put it in the house somewhere, but I forgot about them and then didn't use them. I thought, oh, that'd be cool for the wedding. So they're just a D&J sign in gold. So those were from Next, and they were like £6 each. I don't know if they still have them, but if they have, I will link them. In this basket I also have these little flowers, which are actually, I need to get 3 more because they're going to be for our flower girls, and I have yeah, 2, so I'm going to get another 3. I have 5 Flower Girls. They were from Confetti. Again, another website for wedding stuff. Confetti is amazing. So yes, I just need to get 3 more of those. They were like $9.99 each. Right, so I bought a packet of these pebbles because in our like venue, you're not allowed to have naked flames candle, like your naked flames sticking out, so your candles have to be contained. So I was going to get these like fishbowl jars, put the candle inside, but then put these pebbles at the bottom. So I put the pebbles at the bottom, house the candle in the middle, and it in like a fishbowl, and then these pebbles, they're like kind of iridescent and white pebbles. So I bought 1 pack because I just wanted to see what they were like. They're from eBay and they're about £6. So we're going to have 7 tables, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to need to get another 6 packs of these from eBay. And again, eBay is another place where I've been looking lots to buy wedding stuff. I bought this also from eBay. This was actually used from a previous couple. They were selling all their wedding stuff and I got it for pretty cheap. I think I got it for like £1.20. So it just says, please take some confetti, which I am going to put obviously with the confetti crate. My camera's flashing. I'm not sure what's going on right there. Let me have a look. It's still recording though. Okay, it's just telling me that I've kind of talked for too long and it's going to go to 12 minutes and it's going to go to the next video. But hey, we'll carry on. We'll just see if it stops. Is it going to stop or is it going to carry on? Okay, so I am just going to carry on talking. Yeah, it's gone on to the next one now. So this is a little box from Cheers. I recently did a collaboration with them, a little giveaway for 30 prints for this is their Christmas box, and I thought that I would get a set as well because we are looking to do this crate with fairy lights, and then I wanted to hang pictures of obviously Dan and I and all our family and friends onto this crate. So I got 30 prints from Cheers. Cheers also do like a wedding decoration box where it's sort of like a similar thing, and you can get like your prints, and I think inside the box there's like a rope where you can hang it and little pegs and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty cool. I will link that below. But yeah, so these are my first 30 prints. I'm gonna need to get more, but I just need to collect some pictures for that. And then the last thing in this box was this kind of like scroll thing. I thought it would be nice for the head flower girl to take it down, and I know it's kind of like more like a page boy thing, but it just says here comes the bride, which again, I'm not sure if my like head flower girl would want to hold this. I think she would prefer the flowers, so we'll see. If we don't use it, then it doesn't really bother me. I'll just keep it. Not like I'm going to use it again, but someone else maybe wants it or anything. Okay, so I've just got 2 boxes to go through and this big sign that I'm going to run, like just quickly show you, and then we'll be done. So this is again from the range, and it's just 2 arrow chalkboards where you could just write stuff on it. So I was thinking we could hang this sort of by the door where it says like the wedding this way, that type of thing. I think it was about £1, so not too expensive. So in this box here from Confetti, no, it's not from Confetti, sorry, it's from Ginger Ale. I have let's get this right, these wooden heart tags. Now on every person's table, every person's seat, I'm going to put a heart with their name on it. So once we've done the seating plan, I'm just going to pop their name and this heart on their above their napkin type thing, just to show that that's where they're sitting. And I thought it'd be quite a nice little touch. One of my bridesmaids has really nice writing, so I'm going to get her to write the names of all of them. And if she's watching this, which I think she does watch my videos, that's what you're going to do. Next up, I have these bags, which are our sweetie bags. They were like £5 for about 100, I think, from Confetti. Yeah, they're just going to go with our sweetie cart thing. So yeah, so that is that box. The next box, this one is actually from Ginger Ale. Or did I say the other one's from Ginger Ale? The other one wasn't from Ginger Ale. The other one was from Confetti. Did I say Ginger Ale? I think I did. This one's actually from Ginger Ale, the other one was from Confetti. So I got this, it says use Instagram hashtag help us capture the fun. So this is gonna go on one of these easels, as well as the kind of the other confetti, the brown confetti here, love everywhere, one sign. So we're going to use these easels, and this is going to go on it. So our hashtag is something that we're still thinking about, but I think we've kind of got it. So that will be revealed at a later date. I got this ring cushion. I don't actually know if I'm going to use it. It's one of those things that I just thought I'll pick up. But it's really cute. It's like the Hessian kind of detailing. And I just thought that it will look quite nice to hang both our rings in between that bow. But yeah, again, don't know if we're going to use them. I bought these tags. Now these are the original tags that I wanted to put on the favours, but they're actually too small for the stamp. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them right now, but we'll see. Hey ho. And the last thing from this box from Ginger A is this Mr. and Mrs. sign. It's like a wooden sign you just hang on the back of the chair, although we will be kind of, behind us will be a wall, so I'm not even sure if anyone's going to see that, but I thought it was quite a cute touch. And the last thing is the biggest thing, which is a wooden sign. So I don't know if you can see it that well. I kind of will show you, but I got this off of eBay, and it is just a wooden sign to go on an easel that we're going to put at the front of the wedding. At the front of the wedding? At the front of the venue. So it says on it, once in a while, in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. Welcome to ours. And then with our name and the date of our wedding on it. So I thought that was super cute. And then that was from eBay, from a seller called The Vintage Cottage. Yeah, so I thought that was really nice, and I mean, as soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, I want that for my wedding. I just need to get an easel for it now, which I am going to go to Hobbycraft to get. But yeah, that is all of everything for the wedding decorations that I've got so far. I don't want to go on too long about all the other stuff, which I will talk to you about in another video probably. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for continually watching my videos, obviously. So here's to a great 2018, and yeah, and I can't wait to share more with you in general, not just my wedding, but overall in general with everything. So yeah, so please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're already subscribed, then I will see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.